pagsang-sangi at kailan day talwa no maharubos kadagitan ay mata una sengkat dagitoy mariyok na kawan ruhit na bare sumublipay iyaya nasimina iyaya asimina agsuli payngata amin nga piksa inbubus ko amin ida into sikat ay matar daburan kanto diluluwa sa diyay tanem mo alarabi ingabat bantayan ka simina agsuli payngata amin nga piksa inbubus ko amin ida into sikat ay matay gaburan kanto diluluwa sa diyay tanem mo alarabi aban bantayan ka sa diyay tanem mo alarabi aban bantayan ka sing niyaya rainda tunkubi aku isut salda pamanekne ara bundut ayakku ketna tari kami siap lain di Dain na binaybayan, sakit diayak na nagbalag amin at liday ay na sa ragsaput na keltay naiimbang lanaro amaoyu sentuy biyaku tadaksang nasa niyaya jak may turang niriga denggen ala denggen di maudi adawatku dahil di singsing isulim jahitan ko analipatan di kariya ay nagulpikan ala dain na binaybayan sakit diayak na nagbanag amin ang liday ay na sa ragsaput na keltay ay na sa ragsaput na keltay. May isang play na request ulit pala yung pamilya request. Itanti oras na ipapanaw di ta sinong mo nakairwama diya kumakayak adumte kastoy agundaway di ka nagsangsangit agpakara kunayat ko diya kaya amakita alungdan ka tay ti papanaw ko lagit mo't balune iti lugar nga papanal siksikan tulat ka di ka nagsangsang at pagkara kunayat ko kasabi ako agsingsing pet kanto Tita sibay mo sapay kuma Tanai paayan katraksa Umanay alagipin, ingkon kailiw na. Diyan kaya ang makita, alam lang daan ka, kay di papanaw ko nagimot balune, iti lugar na papanag siksika, kulat na di ka nagsansangit, agpakara kundayan ko. Kasta biyak ko agsingsing pet kanto, nuawanan ko itasibay mo, sapay kuma tanay paayang kadragsa, kumanay alagipin into kailiw na. Back when I was a child, before I removed all the innocence, my father would lift me high and dance with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I knew for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with me, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my partner again. Now my mother would disagree. To get my way I would run from her to me. It make me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later that night when I was asleep, you left the dollar under the sheet, never dreaming that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final step, one final dance with me, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I'd love, love, love to dance with my father again. sometimes that leaves it outside her door, and I feel her mama right here. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. You send the only magic love. I know you don't do it usually, but the Lord is dying to dance with my Father again. And every night I fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.